In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Sendpulse SMTP. By the end, you'll have your Sendpulse SMTP service activated and your profile set up correctly, so you're ready for reliable, compliant email sending. First, sign into your Sendpulse account. If you're new to the platform, create an account before continuing. This gives you access to the dashboard where the SMTP features live. SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is the standard for sending emails from apps, websites, and services. Activating it in Sendpulse ensures your messages route through a trusted infrastructure with solid deliverability. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the SMTP area. Depending on your layout, you'll find it under Transactional or specifically labeled SMTP Service. It's the section dedicated to transactional and programmatic sending rather than manual campaign building. Next, you'll complete the SMTP profile form. Start with your primary sender email. Use an address from your own domain rather than a free mailbox provider. Domain-based addresses help authenticate your mail and build trust with inbox providers, which can significantly improve deliverability. Choose an address you intend to send from consistently and that you or your team actually monitor for replies. You'll be asked how you plan to use the SMTP service. Provide a straightforward description of your use case, such as sending order confirmations, password resets, notifications, or marketing newsletters. Clear, accurate information helps Sendpulse align your account with best practices and maintain high sender reputation. Describe how you collected your email list. This part matters for compliance and deliverability. Explain that your contacts opted in through a sign-up form, a checkout flow, an account creation process, or another permission-based method. Avoid vague statements. Be specific about the source and the user action that granted permission. Purchased or scraped lists create deliverability problems and violate most platform policies. You'll also confirm whether your emails include an unsubscribe link. If you send marketing or bulk communications, make sure you provide a visible, one-click way for recipients to opt out. Even when your messages are primarily transactional, a preference or unsubscribe option where appropriate helps reduce complaints and keeps your sender reputation strong. When everything looks accurate, click Save. Sendpulse uses the information you provided to enable the SMTP service and maintain platform quality. That's it. Your SMTP profile is set, and your Sendpulse SMTP service is activated. From here, you're positioned to send through Sendpulse with confidence, backed by practices that support strong inbox placement and a better experience for your recipients.